Welcome back to Bell's Restoration. Today we're going to be restoring this old tractor wrench. I don't know where we got this from, but my father has had this for a long time, and I think it's time to restore it. I already started on this one side, and this is what basically looks like so far. Which I'm not going to leave it this bare metal color. I'm actually going to paint it with this red high gloss. It's supposed to have paint. It's supposed to be the paint and primer together, so that's good. First off, I'm going to start by knocking the rest off this other side. To do this, I would usually use this wire wheel, but today I wanted to do something a little different. I was out at my local dollar store, and they had these wire brushes, which is something ideal if you don't have power tools like I do. So I want to demonstrate on this one side how you would use one of these. It don't knock the rust off as quick as a power tool would. But it knocks the rust off. If you're somebody who likes to restore old things, knocking the rust off with stuff like this would be ideal. But I'm one of them people who likes to get stuff done. So let me just go ahead, plug that up. Now here's the difference. See, this side was done with the wire brush. This side was done with the power tool. And this took less time to do than it did with the wire brush. So I'm going to go ahead and knock the rest of this off. I want to show how I done this with the flattening. making that shiny. Which you ain't gonna be able to see it because I want to cover it up or cover it with paint. Now, I want to work on getting the inside of these here groove things, or the actual wrench itself. I'll be right back. I'm going to get some sandpaper. This is just some 80 grit sandpaper what we had laying around. Wrapped around this here piece of metal. That's going to knock majority of the rust off. Not all of it, but majority of it. Let's see if I can get it there. Try something. Take this here screwdriver, put some sandpaper on. It didn't do the greatest job, but enough to get it done. Alright. Now, I'm going to start making this side like that side. So there we go. That's how it turned out. Oh, that's a little bit of what you caught. Ain't much. Turned out real well. I'm gonna get that real quick. I just noticed that piece of rust. That lingering rust. Probably be helpful. Let's plug this back up. Now, I want to test something real quick. That side took not too long. Well, wait. Never mind, this side's good. Well, there we go. If you liked what you seen in this video, if you liked what you saw in this video, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. And heck, if you want to, comment down below if you like this or not. Thanks for watching.